Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So I'm here after a long time because I had to go for a long vacation, almost 30 days. So there was no YouTube videos, even though I was trading and I was alerting over my Discord, but for the YouTube subscriber, after many times, so hopefully everything is going good. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about ticker symbol RDBX. This is a stock we have been following like $4, $5, $6 area, and now it is at $13.2. And you can see that last Friday it was up 40% after our another 3%. So the market was so bad yesterday Friday, but even though RDBX is up over 40%, very strong. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the price action, short interest, option chain activity, support, resistance, and many other things. Hopefully you will like this video, and in that case, like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos. So you can see that yesterday pre-market, when we briefed what happened, it was trying to break the $10 area, which was the resistance, right? It was trying to break the $10 area, and it went up, came down, and made the resistance of $10 as a new support. So that was a very strong sign, and after that you can see all the volume started coming when the 10 became the new support, and after that from 10 it went all the way to 14.6. We also briefed this in the morning. We had some few ticker symbol. I had my entry, exit, and profit target. Along with at 9 o'clock, I came live to discuss the plays, and it was a nice day. You can see RDBX was up 51%, AERC 59%, and many other tickers, they were also up. By the way, if you like this kind of pre-market alert with entry, exit, and also 9 o'clock live, please join my Patreon community. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description. Join my community, get access to my Discord, and let's make money together. Also, if you made money with AERC, congratulations. So anyway, let's have a look on RDBX. So RDBX, you can see the volume, the average volume was 25 million, but yesterday the volume was 74 million. So 3 times more volume came, and the price action also tells it was up 40%. If you see day by day volume, you can see at one point it had 150 million volume, and that day it moved a lot. Then it came down, and now again with the volume coming back, this thing is going higher and higher. So yesterday's volume was not that much, 75. So what will happen if the volume goes to 150, double the volume than yesterday? It can explode, and I'm going to show you why. So I'm just sharing articles data from Twitter, and it was Friday morning. You can see the Friday 7 a.m. is showing that the current short interest is 225%. Insane. It was more than 100%, now 225%. Insane short interest. Cost to borrow, the average is 832%. The minimum is 700%. So if you are shorting RTBX, you are paying a lot of interest. So very exciting. In terms of utilization, 100%, meaning that there is no shares available to short. So as long the volume is coming, no shares available to short, high short interest, at the same time high cost to borrow fee. Only one answer is it will squeeze higher and higher. If you go to Fintel, same thing, short interest is 209%, and at the same time cost to borrow, if I go down, 737%. So very high. Okay, now let's look at few other things on the option chain activity. What happened yesterday? So there are lots of call options around 10, 15, 13, these areas. So now the share price is over this. So these are in the money, and they will all be exercised. So there will be additional buying pressure. I also see some concentration around 15 and 18. They got expired worthless, but it is okay. I think that they were not so expensive. So in terms of the next week option chain, you can see that still lots of concentration around 13 and around 18, but I think next week there might be new option chain strike price, and you might see more and more volume coming in terms of call versus put. You can see that huge call and put, the ratio is so high, everyone is predicting it will go higher. Now let's have a look at the chart. So 10 was the thing, it went up, 14 came down and made the support 12.5 yesterday. So 12.5 was a resistance at one point, then it became the new support. Now it is trying to go back up. How it will go, let's have a look on a bigger picture. So I'm going back to 1 hour chart. Just want to see, does 1 hour show me something? Yeah, so this is the 1 hour chart, right? And how the 12.5 came, you can see that it was some kind of support here, 12.5, and also this resistance here, right? 14.2, 14.5, it was a prior resistance. So we were expecting 12, 14.2, 14.3 as a resistance. Anyway, it went to 14.6 and came down. So again, going forward, 14.2, 14.3, maybe 14.5, that will act like a resistance. But what can happen? If it can go over this particular area, you see another concentration of resistance right around, I would say, $16 area, right? 16, then after 16 we have 19, and then also you can see a lot of area after 19. There is 22, 25. I do not know whether it will go to 22, 25, but it all depends how money is moving, right? So as long it will make 12.5 as the new support and volume coming, it has to break this 14.3, 14.5 area. Once it is broken, I think it will run towards 16, 18, 19. So very, very exciting. I would only say, if you're planning to play with the price action, just do not go into FOMO and just buy at 14. In case it comes down, it becomes back holder. So wait for the price action, just see how it is moving pre-market, then you decide. The market was terrible. If you're not following the market, see the market, what happened last Friday. The CPI data came and we were expecting it will drop. See what happened, it came just 402, it came all the way to 390 and moving sideways. So Monday we will see how things are moving. But anyway, RDBX, AERC, there are nice movers. So 12.5, this is one area I'm looking at. If 12.5 is broken, wait for this where it is going. Especially I look at the pre-market and after hours to get an idea where it is going. So very, very excited. If you look at let's look at a 2-hour chart, how this thing is moving. Very, very strong. You see, it was around 2.78, went to 9, came back to 6, and now pushing. So there might be a pullback. It is moving. It might move on Monday, but there might be a pullback, because for any kind of growth, you can always see pullback. Some green, then a red. Again, a push, some red. Some push, then some red. Again, a green push, then there might be some red. So be prepared for a pullback. Overall picture looking very, very strong. I'm very, very excited. So hopefully this thing will continue, and if you want to be part of my community, please join my Patreon and get access to my channel. So each morning I come with different ticker symbol, their entry, their exit, and with some note what to do. Also, I come live at 9 o'clock to talk about the place, so that you can get an idea why I'm playing this, what I want to get out from this particular stock. So anyway, if you like this particular video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, I would be really happy if you join my Patreon community and we can trade together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.